This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pione. Well-maintained home located in Kempsville, minutes from shopping, dining, and Kempsville Rec Center. First floor primary bedroom with a bath. Open floor plan, gorgeous kitchen with custom, soft close cabinets, custom tile backsplash with granite countertops, newer SS appliances including dishwasher, refrigerator and stovetop. Newer roof and a new HVAC 2016. Fenced-in yard. House situated on a quiet cul-de-sac. Also included is access to multiple playgrounds, lakes, clubhouse, and pool. This one shows pride of ownership that you will not want to miss. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.